How to fix volume problem in iPhone 17 Pro Max. So let's start the video. First of all, click the volume up button, increase voice from here. After increasing voice, you will check your problem is solved. So if it not solved, so open control center, so swipe down. Now here click on focus. You will see do not disturb mode is turned on, so turn off do not disturb mode. After turn off do not disturb mode, and you will check your Bluetooth is not turn on. You will see Bluetooth is turn on, so turn off Bluetooth mode. After turn off Bluetooth mode, you will check, so increase the volume from here. After increasing volume, go back to home screen and click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down. You will see second option is sound and haptics. You will see increase the voice from here. After increasing, go back to home screen. You will check your problem is solved. So that's how you can fix voice problem in iPhone 17 Pro Max. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.